Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and play the Ludo King game on your PC without using any emulator. So let's get started right away. In order to do this, you will need to install the Google Play Games beta on your PC. So open up your web browser and just search for Google Play Games beta using your search engine. Now from the search results, just click on the link which says Play Mobile Games on your Windows PC. Now within this link, you will find the download beta option which you can click on to download the installer. Once the installer is downloaded, just open it up and click through the next buttons. And once the installation is completed, you will be asked to log in using your Google account. After logging in and agreeing with the terms and conditions, you will now be taken into the Google Play Games beta homepage. Now just click on the Explore button and then search for the Ludo King game using the search bar. Once you have found the game, go ahead and click on it and you will now see the Install button. Just click on the Install button and you may now add a desktop shortcut if you wish to do so as well. After choosing your desired option, the download will begin for the game, and once the download is completed and the installation has finished, you will see the play button. You can now launch the Ludo King game by directly searching using Windows Spotlight, and if you have chosen to create a desktop shortcut, it will now also appear within your desktop. You can now open up the game and start enjoying it on your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Ludo King game on your PC without using any emulators. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.